I am so excited to be sharing this video right now with you about a client named Maxime who started his very own driveway seal coating business with us here at Asphalt Kingdom. He invested into the package back in April and getting started with one of our silver packages. And let me tell you, it is so cool to receive this video from him today where he is so excited and super energetic about growing his own asphalt driveway seal coating business. You see, starting your own driveway seal coating business is something that can be daunting up front just because you're unsure of exactly what direction to go or what tools and equipment and supplies you should use. But the good news is at Asphalt Kingdom, we're here and we've got all the equipment, supplies, the coaching, and we've got a community called the AK Roundtable as well that will guide you through the process. As Maxime is walking the driveway here, you can see all these cracks that are sealed with rubber crack sealer, and using the RY10 Pro crack sealing machine, you know, you're charging $1.25 a linear foot, and you can see there's a lot of cracks on this driveway, about $700 worth of crack sealing that was done on this job. It only took a couple hours to do. And then he also seal coated it with one of our AK230 spray systems where you're able to mix the sealer inside the tank and spray it out at walking speed. And that allows you to seal coat the whole driveway. Now let's think about the number of driveways that are actually out there that can be done, right? They're all needing maintenance. A driveway left unmaintained means that you essentially have a driveway that's going to become unsafe, it's going to look ugly, and it's going to need to be replaced as well more commonly. So there's huge demand out there. This business is pandemic resistant, it's recession resistant, it's a fantastic business to be in, and you can make a great living doing it just like Maxime. I'm so thankful Maxime shared this video. You can see the before and afters here, and it is super exciting to watch his next steps of growth. He's talking about doing a car dealership next. Go Maxime, go. Hey listen, if you're wanting to start your own driveway seal coating business, we've got the driveway seal coating kickstart course that's down below, and we also have access to the start a business area of our whole website at Asphalt Kingdom. Feel free to follow us on all social platforms, on Instagram, on Facebook, and make sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel as well, and click that ringy bell notification so you're notified every time we push out content. I would love to be able to post a video about you being the next success story. Again, congratulations on your journey to starting your own driveway seal coating business.